If you are looking for survey instrument accessory dealers in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, then look no further than Scon Design. Scon Design is known for its reliable and high-quality survey instrument accessories that cater to the needs of professionals in various industries. With a strong presence in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, they have established themselves as one of the leading dealers in the region. At Scon Design, they understand the importance of having the right accessories for survey instruments. Whether you are in the field of construction, engineering, or any other industry that requires accurate measurements, they have a wide range of accessories to meet your needs. From tripods and leveling staffs to prisms and targets, they have it all. Their products are sourced from reputable manufacturers, ensuring that you get only the best quality accessories. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They believe in building long-term relationships with their clients and strive to provide them with excellent service. Their knowledgeable and friendly staff is always ready to assist you in finding the right accessories for your survey instruments. They can also offer expert advice on which accessories would be most suitable for your specific requirements. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design as your survey instrument accessory dealer is their competitive pricing. They understand the importance of value for money and aim to offer their products at affordable prices without compromising on quality. This makes them a preferred choice among professionals in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. In addition to their wide range of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design also offers after-sales support. They provide warranty on their products and are always available to address any concerns or queries you may have. Specific requirements. Look no further than Scon Design if you're searching for survey instrument accessories dealers in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. Scon Design is renowned for producing trustworthy and excellent survey instrument accessories that meet the demands of experts in a variety of sectors. They have carved out a name for themselves as one of the top dealers in the area because of their substantial presence in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. Scon Design is aware of the value of having the proper survey instrument accessories. They have a large selection of accessories to fit your demands, whether you work in the construction, engineering, or any other area that relies on precise measurements. They have everything, including tripods, leveling staffs, prisms, and targets. They exclusively use top-notch manufacturers, so you know you're getting high-quality accessories. Scon Design's dedication to client satisfaction sets them different from other survey instrument accessory retailers in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. They work hard to give their customers outstanding service and believe in developing lasting relationships with them. Their helpful and educated team is always available to help you select the appropriate accessories for your survey tools. They can also provide professional guidance on which